Johnny Depp accused Amber Heard, 34, of having affairs with stars such as Leonardo DiCaprio and Channing Tatum, the actress said on the first day of her testimony at Britain's High Court in London. The court is examining Depp's libel suit against the Sun newspaper over an April 2018 article that labeled him a wife-beater for allegedly abusing Heard. Leonardo DiCaprio speaks on having an affair with Amber Heard. Video. Depp and Heard met in 2009 on the set of the film The Rum Diary, which was released 2 years later. They married in Los Angeles in February 2015. Heard filed for divorce the following year, and the divorce was finalized in 2017. After Heard had been present throughout the trial, watching the proceedings as her ex-husband gave evidence over 5 days, she took the stand and claimed that Depp accused her of having affairs with movie stars such as Eddie Redmayne, James Franco, Jim Sturgis, Kevin Costner, Liam Hemsworth, Channing Tatum, Billy Bob Thornton, Channing Tatum, even women co-stars like Kelly Garner. She claimed that Depp also accused her of cheating on him with DiCaprio, whom she had auditioned with for a role. According to several media outlets, Leonardo promised to completely destroy Johnny Depp's career upon hearing the ongoing rumors. However, Johnny has maintained complete and total silence on the matter so far. In fact, only Amber Heard has publicly commented on the alleged affair between her and Leonardo DiCaprio. During her statements, Amber Heard also managed to speak up on other matters regarding their past marriage and alleged behavior of Johnny Depp. The entire discussion only started after Amber brought the issue up herself in front of the media. She alleged that Johnny Depp had accused her of cheating on him with Leonardo DiCaprio. Her statements inferred that she and Leonardo were nothing more than co-workers, and Johnny Depp was the bad guy in the story. He would taunt me about it, especially when he was drunk or high, and had derogatory nicknames for every one of my male co-stars he considered a sexual threat, Heard said in the statement. For example, Leonardo DiCaprio was Pumpkinhead, Magic Mike XXL co-star Channing Tatum was Potato Head, and Jim Turd Sturgis reported page6.com. Heard had also accused Depp of abusing her both physically and verbally while he was allegedly binging on alcohol and drugs, claiming that at various times during their tempestuous relationship she feared for her life. The 45-year-old babyface Titanic actor, Leonardo DiCaprio, is hell-bent on destroying Johnny Depp and his career. He'll never work in Hollywood again, he said after Depp said he may have slept with his ex-wife Amber Heard. Johnny Depp is the likely victor in his libel case against the British tabloid The Sun. The tabloid published an article calling him a wife-beater and revealing stolen private messages from his personal phone. During the trial, Johnny Depp said his ex-wife, Aquaman star Amber Heard, had an affair with several high-profile individuals during their marriage, and that was the beginning of the downfall of their relationship. Depp alleged that Elon Musk, James Franco, Channing Tatum, and Leonardo DiCaprio had been with Amber Heard while they were married. Musk and Franco have denied having an affair despite CCTV footage showing both Franco and Musk being intimate in an elevator in Depp's LA penthouse. The footage was recorded while Depp was away on business. Leonardo DiCaprio, on the other hand, is not taking the Amber Heard allegations lightly and has now vowed to destroy Johnny Depp. An unnamed source told the Australian lifestyle magazine New Idea that DiCaprio vowed to destroy Depp's career so that he couldn't ruin the actor's name and reputation any further. Leo is livid. He's banned all his associates, as well as anyone who wants to work with him ever again, from dealing with Johnny. He can't believe Johnny's thrown him into this mess like it's no big deal, the source said. The source alleged that Depp and DiCaprio were once close friends, but things have since drastically changed. Johnny is going to find himself almost unemployable after all this is over. He did himself no favors by revealing the childish nicknames he'd saddled a lot of them with, either. In his blind determination to destroy Amber, he's pretty much cut his nose off to spite his face, the source said. The derogatory name that the unnamed source is referring to is Pumpkinhead. Depp was reportedly only ever heard calling Johnny Depp Pumpkinhead by his ex-wife Amber Heard. He accused me of cheating with Leonardo, Pumpkinhead DiCaprio, and Channing Potato Head Tatum. He would try and catch me out by taking my phone or telling me someone had told him I was having an affair. Johnny would act as if he had information proving it, when I really hadn't. He would taunt me about it, especially when he was drunk or high, Heard said. Johnny Depp is a wife beater. This is the verdict of the UK courts. Just writing that sentence feels genuinely shocking, and yet, by now perhaps, it should not. For a start, the allegation that he was physically abusive to his ex-wife Amber Heard emerged more than 4 years ago, after she applied for a temporary restraining order against him following their divorce, citing domestic abuse. It should also not be a shock, given how many other hugely famous men have been accused of abusing women. Sean Connery was alleged to have beaten his first wife and frequently defended hitting women. His death this weekend sparked online arguments about how much the coverage should focus on the professional achievements of a man who repeatedly insisted it was fine to hit women. If the woman is a bitch, or hysterical, or bloody-minded continually, as he said in 1965. But Depp is a very different figure from Connery. The latter represented alpha masculinity and aggressive sexuality. No one ever said it explicitly, but Connery's defenses for beating women fit in, on some level, with his image, and so that side of him was never going to be a problem with his audience. Depp, however, represented something else. He sued The Sun for defamation when it described him as a wife beater, something Connery would never have done, and it's why for a certain kind of fan, me, this feels like the death of yet another childhood hero. And yet, unlike the ends of Kurt Cobain and River Phoenix, perhaps you couldn't describe this one as a shock. After the judge gave his verdict on Monday morning, Depp's notoriously virulent online followers, a different kind of fan, made sure they got the predictable hashtags trending, all proclaiming Depp's innocence. I often wonder about these online Depp fans, given that they are mostly in their 30s and 40s. Such online standing from the middle-aged is unusual, and yet that is Depp who inspires it says a lot about him. Both what he represented to my generation and how far he has fallen. Depp may appeal. The judgment is so flawed that it would be ridiculous for Mr. Depp not to appeal this decision, said a solicitor at the London law firm of Schillings, which represented Depp.